Hello, and welcome to this YouTube channel on how to build a house. This is the first video in our series, and we're going to begin by turning to our home consultant for advice. And the first thing it says to do is to consider the building site. So I'm going to show you how to plot on a solar path grid. To do this, you're going to make sure you have a pencil, solar path grid paper, and this yellow data here. So we're going to be plotting 3 different days where the sun would be at every hour. We have December 21st and March 21st and June 21st. So I'm going to first look at my data, and we just want to remember that azimuth on a solar path grid is how far around we go. So I'm just going to make a little reminder of that. This is around. And altitude is how far in we go from the horizon, which is the outer circle. So now we can color coordinate our data. We can use a blue colored pencil for December, and we just want to connect our dots there. And then we can use green for March and red for June. Perfect. And now we want to compile this with some land information. So our next step is to draw a meets and bounds diagram, which is a legally recognized description that you can put in deeds. So for this, we will need a circular land measure compass. Here it is, and it has this arm on it, which allows us to dial in a particular direction. Okay, so meets refers to the direction and bounds refers to distance. So let's talk about a more specific example here. The first instruction is north 45 degrees east 100 feet. And we want to establish our point of beginning. So first we can just pencil in a dot on our page and then put the compass right over that dot. And then we can just dial in north 45 degrees east on the compass and mark it right there so that when you remove the compass, we have both the point of beginning and the direction north 45 degrees east. And now we can use our ruler here at the scale of 3/4 of an inch equals 100 feet. So let's draw out 100 feet and then write in our direction and distance to help us remember. Now we go back to our compass and simply proceed all the way around the description, marking our direction and drawing out the distance until we have our finished meets and bounds diagram. And now it is time to excavate. We have our 1-yard capacity excavator here, and the conditions in this particular area are mostly sandy, so it should be easy digging. And we just want to make sure we have the appropriate depth, so we will bring out our laser, which flashes within 1 inch of grade. So it looks like we are right on target. And now we've got our hole, so it is time to start building in the next video.